Welcome to the third super special secret criteria for choosing a successful Amazon product. This is profitability. We want to make sure that your item is going to make money for every single product that you sell on Amazon and not put a lot of time and effort into sourcing and designing our product, launching it on Amazon, only to be paying money for every product you sell because of the Amazon fees coupled with the expensive item shipping. And all of it adds up, and there's some people who don't calculate this ahead of time and they fall into the trap of making no money or owing money for every item they sell. So we're going to use the official FBA calculator to make sure we know exactly how much money goes into your bank account for every single product that you end up selling on Amazon. So to start, we're going to come over to Jungle Scout. We're going to show you the workflow and then a few examples in this lecture. Once again, I'm in kitchen and dining. I want $12 to $60, rank between 1 and 2,500, and then search. All right, so right now it's sorted by price. We want to sort by estimated revenue. So that's the low end, we want the high end. Here we go. This one's making $500,000 a month. This is great. I'm going to scroll down to the middle here and just go through and have a look for a product that I think fits a certain criteria. Here we go. Immersion hand blender. So I'm going to open this hand blender on Amazon, this little button right here. And what you then need to do is you need to get the average price for the keyword or the product hand blender. Don't just use the one price that you found because that might be really inflated or underpriced. Make sure you always come back to all departments, search for the name, and you can see the average price here. So $59 is a cheap one at $16, $31. Using the double Jungle Scout combo, you can pull up the actual average price of the entire first page. So once that data populates, it'll pop into there, $25. And you can go down here and you can see, obviously this is... Why is that $4? That seems incredibly cheap for that. Okay, I think that's a mistake because it doesn't look like you can... $47. Okay, not sure why that's a mistake in there, but we're going to ignore that data. Just remember that that's pulling this average down. So this average will probably be up near $30. What you then want to do is you want to come over to Alibaba. Cool, so now we're at Alibaba. We're going to also look for a hand blender here. And we're going to see the average price that you can source it from and match it up pretty much to what is selling on Amazon. So you can see this is between $5 and $8, $7.50, $7, it's $11.50. It comes with some accessories. The hand mixers, it's a food mixer, so a little bit different. $9, that's not a mixer. So make sure you're looking at the picture and make sure that it matches up to what it says it is. But you can basically see they're about 6 to 7, maybe even up to $10. But on average, we'll say they're $8. If we go back and we remember the hand blender average price was $25, you can see that that's a pretty good ratio. What we want to do now is we want to open up this official FBA calculator, and it's going to show you exactly how much money you're going to make taking into account all the potential fees on Amazon. Now, one thing I've got right here is all the costs that you will incur selling on Amazon. So you'll have the item cost, including your customization of the item shipping, so how much it costs to get to the warehouse or the factory where it's created to your door, and then shipping it onto Amazon from there. The Amazon fulfillment fee, which is how much Amazon charge in order to send your product out, and the referral fee, which is just the cost for selling on Amazon. A couple of miscellaneous costs down here, which will come into the equation, which is why you want a high profitability early on. So all these extra fees don't put you into the negatives. You're going to be running ads on your product, and you're also going to be doing discounted promotions. So making sure we have a high profitability now, so when we add those into the equation, we're still profitable. So the first one was hand blender. We're just going to search that on Amazon. Click on the first one, that's fine. We're going to do fulfillment by Amazon, meaning Amazon will ship it. So the item price, The average price was 25, but that was pulled down, so we'll put in 30 here. How much is going to cost us to ship it to Amazon? So that's from the factory to Amazon. How much total is that going to cost us per item? So to work that out, obviously, you can guesstimate based on its weight. I'm going to say this blender will probably be $2 to ship all the way from the factory in China to our house and then onto Amazon. That's probably a high estimate, but I just want to be sure. Now the cost of the product we said was $8. Hit calculate, and you can see here that net profit would be $10.80 per sale. So that would be a great item to get into because it only costs $8 to buy plus some shipping and other fees, and you're making $10 per sale. So that's a great example right here. Again, you can go through the stats here as an additional confirmation, but this basically is the only number that we need. If we then want to look at a couple of other examples, just so we know what we are doing, we're sure of it. There's one called a grip strengthener. Now, this is an example of a bad product. You can see right here that this price is only $8. If you come across to Amazon here, you can see you get it for $1 here, $2 here. That's $10, but it's a little bit different. This one's $3, $2. On average, I think they're about $1.50 before shipping, before postage. They're going to be at least 50 cents each to send. So we want to come back to the calculator again. Try another product. They're called grip strengtheners. You can just click on the first one again. Item price, it was $8 or $7.97. How much are you going to ship to Amazon? Oh, so 50 cents because they're a lot smaller than the hand blender. Cost of the product, it was $1.50. Calculate. You're going to be making 95 cents per, oh, Amazon, why is it 7? That should be 8. All right, so $1.80 per sale, which is pretty much next to nothing. Unless you're selling 100 of these a day, it's not going to be worth getting into this, especially because then you have ads on top of that, you have state tax on top of that, you have discounted products, and you're going to be fighting with competitors to fulfill in these markets. So anything like that is just not worth it at all. And you can see that's why we sell products above $12. That's the general rule, because once you get under $12, it all just goes and gets eaten by the fees. You can see that selling on Amazon referral fee here is $1.20 plus the fulfillment fee, so the shipping and logistics is $3. Now, I think you get the idea. So just to run you through one more example, I was going to do a knife block. You can do that one on your own. We'll do the splatter screen. So on, I don't think we have it pulled up. So we'll pull it up on Amazon. The splatter screen. How much can we source it for? Let's look at this. Say we got $3, $1. This one's $5, but it's stainless steel, I see. That's 80 cents, $1.50, $3, $3, $3. So I'm going to say it's about $3. You can get it. You can actually get a bit less. So I'm going to say it's $2. Then we're going to customize it a little bit too and stand out. So we'll go $2.50. Let's try another product. Put in splatter screen. This one is fine. And let's go item price. So back to our search. Let this pop out. You see there's some in here for $10, $16, $15, $20, $15, $22. If we were to sell something here, which we will be selling them, we do definitely want the higher end premium quality thing, because that really does well in the long term on Amazon. The average price is $14 here. I'm going to put in $16 because we definitely want to be in the higher end of this. Ship to Amazon, it's going to be, I'd say $1.50. Cost of the product was $2.50. Calculate that. You can see it's $6 a product. Now that's not as good as the initial hand blender one, but once again, you got to take into other things into consideration, such as the demand for the product, the competition for the product, and all the other factors that we're about to go through in the next lectures. So $6.60 on especially on a $2.50 spend is really, really impressive because you're paying, I guess, including shipping, $4 an item, but making $6.60 back. So that's a great ratio to have, and that's an investment that's definitely worth your money. And that's why we're going to go into this one as an example in this series. So head over to myfbamasterclass.com on our website, and we can link you to this FBA calculator, which is a free calculator by Amazon. And you can work through your examples from there, pull them out of Jungle Scout, open them in Alibaba, put the data into this calculator, and it will give you your exact profit margin.